Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to be withdrawing from this website with the name Tonking. I am also going to show you how you can earn free Toncoin from this site later in this video. So all you have to do here is to only watch to the end and do not skip any part of this video. So inside my account I have 3 Toncoin. So let's click on wallet and we're going to be cashing out by clicking withdraw. So I'll be withdrawing 3 Toncoin. Okay, so this is 3 Toncoin. Let me go and get my wallet address. So this is my wallet address. I have 5.42 Toncoin. Let me just copy out my wallet address. We go back, paste the wallet address inside this box, then we withdraw. Okay, so it says your withdrawal request is being processed. I have made a whole lot of money from this particular site. This is my 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 withdrawal. So just take a look at all my withdrawals. So we have to wait for them to process the payment. Once I receive the payment in my wallet, let's just go back to my wallet, by the way, because they always process payment automatic. So let's wait a little bit. You can see this is my new balance, which is 8.4 ton, showing you that the site is 100% legit. This is the payment of 3 Toncoin, which is what I just got from the site. Take a look at the time, which it was sent to me today, being the 2nd of November, around 8:39. So you have confirmed. Let's head on back to my account. If you want to start earning free Toncoin, you're going to have to click the link in this video's description box to sign up. After sign up, it is going to bring you over to this place, and all you have to do here now is to go ahead and click on faucet. Faucet allows you to claim every 60 minutes. They have the stone level. You get paid 0.00002 ton every 60 minutes. Iron level helps you make 0.0002 ton every 60 minutes. Bronze level 0.0004 ton every 60 minutes. Silver level 0.0012 ton every 60 minutes. Gold level 0.005 ton every 60 minutes. Platinum 0.02 ton every 60 minutes. Diamond 0.1 ton every 60 minutes. Master 1 ton every 60 minutes. So verify captcha to prove that you're not a robot. When you're done with that captcha, you complete the rest. When you're done, verify, then click on free spin. As you click on free spin, it should spin and give you your bonus immediately. You see, I just got 0.00002 ton. Now I can come again and do this every 60 minutes. Okay. Another way you can earn here is by playing games such as dice, lot mines, roulette, and video poker. Okay, but there are more ways to earn more. If you want to earn more, you can go over here, click on this button, click on surveys. Okay, as you click on surveys, it is going to bring you here. Just go for BitLabs. BitLabs do have offers that you can complete by just installing different apps, especially if you are on iOS, that is iPhone. They are going to give you a whole lot of games for you to play. Install and play them and you're going to get paid. Okay, this game over here, you're going to get paid $30 for playing it. This one $5, this one is $2, 31 cents, $21, $1.60, $10, 30 cents, $20, $22, $5, $1, 28 cents, $6.68, 34 cents, $1, $70, 33 cents, $17, $4, $3, 36 cents, $13, $1, and others. So they have a whole lot of games you can play here, and you're going to make money from them. So check out the link in this video's description box to start earning from this platform. Okay, so that is just how it works over here. Okay, so now another thing you can do here now is that you can also they have offers at the home page of the site. You come down, this offer right here, you're going to get paid 23 cents for completing it for 20 minutes. This one's going to pay you 16 cents for completing this offer in 20 minutes. Okay, just go sign up and start earning from the site. Alright, so like this video, subscribe, and do make sure that the notification bell is being turned on, so that anytime any day I post another video, you get notified by YouTube. For withdrawals, minimum withdrawal here is 0.1 ton, and they're going to take 0.003 ton as service charge. So sign up and let us all start making money from the site. Like this video, subscribe, and do make sure that your notification bell is being turned on, so that anytime any day I post another video right here now, you get notified by YouTube. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless.